Hello everyone, I'm Nenad and welcome to Android tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to open second activity by clicking on a button. So when I click on this button, I'm in a second activity right now. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is to create a layout for your first activity. So go to Res, Layout, Activity Main. Just delete everything and go to Text and change this constraint layout to Relative Layout. Alright? And just put one button on this layout file. ID can be activity button, and let's set text to openSecondActivity. Alright, now we need to create second activity. Go to your Java, that example, that whatever you named your project, click on new, right click new, activity, empty activity, and let's just leave name as it is. Click on finish. Android created another layout file for us, so let's open that file. Again, change it to relative layout, design, and put one TextView on the screen, and let's set text of the TextView to be second activity. Alright, now let's get into coding. So right now I am in mainActivity, so that is our first initial activity, and we have button there, so type button and button. We are creating a variable of button. So let's initialize that button, and button equals to, we need to cast it to button, find view by ID, air.id, activity button. And when we click on this button, we want new activity to open, so we need to set onClickListener. So type button that set onClickListener, new onClickListener. Now we want to create a function that is called, for example, let's private void, we can call this function openSecondActivity. Alright, and inside of that function we need an intent object, because that we are using intent object to open another activity. So intent alt enter to include equals to new in intent, and in intent's constructor there are two parameters. First one is context, and we can just type this, because that's gonna send this mainActivity class as a parameter, and activity class is a subclass of context, so that's why we can do that. And second parameter is activity that we want to send this intent to, in this case just to open. So main to activity that class, and just type startActivity, and inside pass in your intent object, so intent, and on this onClick function just type openSecondActivity, so we are calling this function, and let's see if this is working. And when I click on this openSecondActivity button, I am in second activity right now. Thanks for watching. If you want more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Have a great day and goodbye.